What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Microsoft Corporation with the ticker symbol MSFT. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at a bird's eye view of Microsoft. Very bullish. Prior all-time high was right here in November of 2021. It was right around the 344, 345 level. So let's go and mark that. That was a key point, and price was able to push through it. Stay below it, couldn't stay below it too long, and then we saw the rally higher. So we can basically draw a trend line off of the pivots or the swing lows, and you see that we're almost to that trend line, acting as a potential support. So again, let me go and show you guys a mesh and move target that the bulls were trying to reach. All of this is one large leg up right here. If we go and clone it, it'll probably point right to the top of this correction, and there you go. Exactly right where the top of this correction is where that mesh and move target was, kind of like what the SPY is doing. So since the target is met, expectation is to see a drop or a sideways correction. So we did see the drop. This is all one leg right here. This is the second leg down. And you can see that the bears are trying to reach the 378 level, which coincides with this breakout right here. You see that price was consolidating. It was chopping around right here, and then eventually just broke out. So a lot of times price will try to come back to the breakout point. The keyword is attempt. Market moves in attempts, not guarantees. So it's attempting to reach that 378 level. We are below the trend line. We have a mesh move target in play. We're still a little bit away from that trend line. So I see more downside than the upside, at least in the short term for Microsoft. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. We can get a higher time frame analysis as well. Overall, still very bullish. I'm pretty sure if we use a log chart, it'll look even better. Just so, you know, it's easier to do analysis because of all of the gains. So let's take a look at the monthly chart. So you see that, you know, it's a very bullish looking market, basically just a bubble. A lot of the money or the currency just continues to flow into these tech stocks because they'll be the ones who will be able to, you know, withstand a lot of things in the, you know, coming years. In the world. So again, a lot of the capital is just flowing into these tech stocks. So you can see that price is correcting the short term. Long term, still looking very well. We just reached a mesh move target. So once this mesh move target is over, most likely it will start a new one. And once it starts a new one, that means that the first two legs up, which we just saw, would be one large one now. So if we see a large leg up from where we stop from, let's say we stop at the 344, if it gets there that low, then that target's, you know, much more higher, like the 642 level or something like that. Either way, you know, we're just getting more and more steeper in this exponential move up higher. So we had the first trend line set right over here. So that was the first trend line right here. We have 1, 2, we got the third touch confirmation. We have our second one, we're still above that. And maybe if we do stay above it, we'll get our third final attempt, maybe even a fourth one. So it could be something like that. So again, I think we're going to see a blow off top from a lot of these tech stocks. It just looks like that's what the chart is, you know, priming to do. You know, some sort of exponential curve like that. And then we'll probably see a drop. But either way, just to summarize the video, short-term bearish to neutral, long-term still bullish. And again, I would be looking for, you know, somewhere around the mid 370s. If it breaks down lower, I would say the next supports are right around the 344. And there's a good chance either one of these levels can hold. Most likely the first one. So all I have from Microsoft on the daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.